question is, what is family and what are the structural changes in the family in modern society? Family, as we all know, play a most important part, and it's among the major role in the development of an individual, because the family is the first step in which the individual learns on the things. It is the most important part of the social structure. In family, it's all about father and mother and their children. In family, new members are come and previous members are leave due to death or migration from other places. Family plays a very important role in the development of an individual, because it is the first basic step in which he learns all the things, that how to behave in a society, what are the various norms, what are the various cultures, what are the various outlooks in the society. And perspective of analyzing the things is being taught by the family itself, that what are the basic norms and structure in the society have and how the individual behave in a particular society. Family also creates and inculcates value in us, that what basically the system or the society in which we survive, that what are the various criteria that an individual should do for the survival in the society. It's all about the basic ingredients things that tells by the family to the individual, starting from his birth to the death. Now, with the changing scenario in the modern times, the aspect of the family is also changed a lot. Earlier, the joint family system is being there. The members are equally sharing their love and emotions, and they all doing the activities, economic activities for the survival of the family. But with the emergence of the change in the society from the traditional to the modern aspects, now the aspect of the family is also changed a lot. Today, the aspect of the family is nuclear family, in which father and mothers and their two children. The reason is that as we move towards the modernization, towards the industrialization, the needs of the people is also changed a lot. Earlier in the traditional society, the agriculture is the basic livelihood activities. But having so much of the population, agriculture is not only a source to fulfill all the needs of each and every individual. So with the passage of the changes in the society by through industrialization and modernization, the people are more migrated towards the urban center. And more migrated towards the urban center, the disintegration of the family is being there, and the more nuclear system practice. Now, women has also play a very important role in contribution towards the economic activities. Earlier in the traditional society, women are restricted towards the basic household activities. But with the passage of the time or increasing more and more competition, and education is also changing a lot. So the women are also participated in the economic development, so that they can also contribute towards the economic functioning for the household other than their basic household activities. Rather than that, the expansion of the education, more and more universities, more and more development of the education also change the outlook of a society from the traditional perspective to still modern perspective. More and more urban centers is being there. As we all know, the peoples are migrated towards the more urban centers, metropolitan cities and all, for changing their economic and social structure, for getting a good job, increases their standard of living. So this is also impact about the changes in the structure of the family. And the most important thing is that, as we all know, that in today's modern society, we have a skill-oriented system, and the individual who have a skill, then he can survive. So the changes in the concept of the modern society, thinking in the approach of an individual, and now the society is moved towards more rational approach. So this is also the things that impact the changes in the family structure in the present modern society is all about. Thank you all.